In Microsoft Excel, there are times when printing your worksheets out gives you blank spaces and empty rows. So to fix this, you can check out these methods we have for you in this video. As for the first method, delete empty rows or columns so you won't end up with a second page on your spreadsheet. To do that, check to see if there are any hidden entire row or column, and once you have found the hidden rows or columns, unhide them by right-clicking on it. Select Unhide, then right-click again, and then select Delete. Next, you can choose a different page orientation by clicking Page Layout tab, choose Orientation, and click Portrait or Landscape option. You can also change the sizes of your columns and cells to fit everything on one page just by clicking and holding the arrow in the columns and rows, then move it accordingly to the size you want. For another method, you can make adjustments via page layout to see how your spreadsheet will appear on print. Do that by clicking the View tab, choose Page Layout, and check if your spreadsheet fits the number of pages that you desire. Lastly, try printing on the active sheets so you will not have to waste any paper on empty rows or columns. To do so, click the File tab, select Print, go to the Settings menu, and select Print Active Sheets. Now those are the possible ways on how to fit your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into a single page. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.